Hi, Crafty friends. I'm back with another haul. Surprise, surprise. I did some shopping and I got some stuff at Dollar General and Target, but I'll do two separate ones so they're not too long. Some people, don't have Dollar General, don't want to see the Dollar General or so forth. So I'm going to show you what I got. I have just a couple Christmas things. Most of their Christmas was buy one, get one free right now. I might go back after. I don't know. No, I really don't need any more Christmas stuff, so I probably won't. But I picked up these. I think I'm not gonna make a garland out of these. I'll probably make tags. So I'll probably just do like a beaded tag. I know that there's two holes here, but I think I can fish like ribbon through and use some beads and make it into more of a tag. Or that's what I'm hoping to do instead of making a garland. Although the garland is really cute, but I think that I'm going to make tags out of them. And then the last Christmas thing I got were these sticker books. They were only $1. I got two for $1, but I thought that they were kind of cute. They only had one of each. Otherwise, I probably would have grabbed like two of each. But they have some really cute stickers that I think that I could utilize. They are on the thinner side. Look at these little bows. Just so cute. Thinner stickers like this, I like to put on cardstock and then fussy cut out, and then they're just nice and thicker, but there's just some really cute ones, like especially this book I really liked. I wish I could have found two because it's got some disco. I know that there was a Howdy Christmas this year. Maybe there'll be one next year. You never know. But there's a lot of pink. There's bows. It's girly. This one was really cute. So I really enjoyed this one. And then there's this one that had the bear on there. And there are 250 stickers in each. But I thought that they were really, really cute. Like, oh, I like all these like little squares. These will be cute to put on. I've been making like paperclip tickets or ticket paper clips, paperclip tickets. Has been my newest session. I've just had so much fun with them because they're just so simple and easy. And these would be easy to add to those. So cute. Definitely worth it. I found they have like a little coquette area. Or they were putting out like coquette stuff in like a little area. They had these little trinket trays, so I picked some up. They were $3 a piece. They do have pink as well, but I didn't like the glazing on the edges of the pink ones, so I just got the white. And I grabbed, I think, 3 because that's all they had. But they're really cute. They have tumblers. They have like pink ones and then blue ones, like a nice like cornflower blue. And then in that same section, I picked up this because they had bows with cherries, a lot of this type of stuff, but I thought this was so cute. I really enjoyed this. I'll probably add some glossy accents to this and I don't know, hang it up in my room. It's cute. It was only $3. But yeah, they have like a whole new coquette stuff that they're just now putting out. They were just now putting out Valentines as well, so I'm gonna have to go back so I can see everything that they got out. But again, they were just starting to put it up in like the little spaces. They were trying to condense Christmas. That's neither here nor there. I also picked up these salt and pepper shakers because if you don't know, I've been making these salt and pepper shaker tassels and I've had so much fun with those. And Shanita, who is Plan to Play, sent me pictures in a video saying that they had gotten some new salt and pepper shakers in, so I went and picked them up. This one is like a coffee and donut, and I don't think the donut is gonna work, but the coffee is so cute that I had to get it. So I might have paid $3 just for the coffee, but I had to. Look how cute that is. That is so stinking adorable. I love that. You can put any kind of colors with this. I might try to play with the donut and see if it'll work, but I just don't think it will because it's gonna hang all kind of wonky. The tassel would be kind of coming out of the back. I mean, I'll play with it. You just never know what might happen, but I'll play. We'll see what happens. But how cute are those? They also had, there's some that I didn't get. They had pancakes and syrup. And they had, maybe that was it. I know in Shanita's video, she showed me like 2 or 3 different ones, but I didn't have all of those. So there was just these ones and pancakes and syrup. And then they're putting out like a little like just a spring section, or maybe it's just like just a little farmhouse section. And I found it chickens. So I know a few people that really like chickens. So I got the chickens. These will be perfect for the shaker tassels. This is the only colors they had were like a brown and white, but you can put so many different colors with these. So I'm super excited about these. And they did have pigs. And if the pigs were pink pigs, like a pink and white, or just pink pigs or cream pigs, I would have picked them up. But one was blue and one was green. And I just wasn't feeling those colors. So I don't know if there'll be more out in those collections or other color choices. But for $3, I feel like this is a really good find if you are making salt shaker tassels. I have not been to Cracker Barrel yet. I know a lot of people said to go to Cracker Barrel. I haven't found any Valentine's Day ones yet. I will be on the hunt for some Valentine's Day. I know that my Marshalls and like TJ Maxx is just starting to put out a couple things. But I have not seen any salt and pepper shakers yet, because I would love to find some hearts. Like an X and an O would be super cute. I don't know. You never know what might be out there. So if you like salt and pepper shakers and you're into making these tassels, they do have a good alternative like pricing options. So we are going to move on to Valentine's Day. I was so excited. Samantha, who is Southern Charm Paper, posted a few things in a group chat, and I was like, I need to go get those. And I think she's got a video up now. So I found a couple more things that she didn't have, but they were just putting stuff out there. There was only a small little section. I am on the hunt for the sweatshirts because she got this X and O sweatshirt. It's like a light pink and it has red puffy XOXO on it, and I need that. So she said that they have them in the back. They just haven't made it to the floor yet. She was still unboxing. And that was yesterday, which is today's Christmas Eve. So that was on the 23rd. She's like, come back after Christmas and I should have everything out. So I will go back and I will go get some. But I found these little stickers. They're little wiener dogs. I have somebody in mind that has wiener dogs and loves wiener dogs. These are the only stickers I grabbed. A lot of the stickers I didn't care for. They were either like too holographic. They did have a cat pack, but they weren't as cute as these. These were the cutest stickers. They might get more out. I'm not quite sure, but these were really, really cute. I found the gift bag, so I was on the hunt for the cherry ones. Of course, me and my cherries. So I got 2 bags of those because these are so cute, and I'll probably like share one. And oh, I got 2 of these too. So I want to say there was a third one that had just like red and white. It was white and it had maybe red and pink hearts on it, I think. But I didn't really care for them. They were just okay, but these ones are really cute. These are cello bags. They're not sealable, but you can laminate them if you want. Brooke, who is B Northway, has a tutorial on how she laminates the cello bag. So there's lots of options. I will probably just put treats in them, tie them up with ribbons. I'm not quite sure. I found these fabric bags. They had other ones, but these were the only ones I really liked. I miss when these were like 2 for $1, but these are the bigger ones, so I get it. Oh, all these were $1 as well. So everything that I'm showing you right now is $1. But I thought these bags were cute. They only had 2. They had 2 of each style. There's 2 other styles. I can't remember what they looked like, but I liked this one the most, so I picked up those. And then I found the stickers. So Samantha showed these stickers, which are so cute. They're only $1, which is nice. And I grabbed all 3 that they had. I grabbed all 3 so that way I can keep one to use and then probably gift a couple other ones in some Valentine mail. Or a Valentine swap. I'm in one open swap but I only joined one that was open so that, you know, if I didn't get to it, but most likely I'll do that one. So I'll probably, like I said, keep one for myself and then throw the other 2 in with the swap. And then I found these ones. Look at these little roses. They're so cute. Like, I mean, everything else is pretty much the same. Oh, I didn't even realize that there's tiny roses at the bottom. So they only had 3 of these out. I grabbed all 3 that she had because they're so stinking cute. So again, I'll probably keep one for myself and put the other 2 in for a swap. And then I found these. How cute. These were also just $1. This one's glitter is not the best, but I wanted to have 2 at least. So I'll probably end up having to re-glue and put some new glitter down, and then I'll probably spray like maybe a clear coat over top so it won't rub off or shed. But how cute are those? Oh, I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And then last but not least, I picked up these little duckies. You know, we're a Jeeping family and we like to duck people. So I got these. They did have little packs of ducks. I think they were $1 and you got 4 ducks. These were $3, but I got way more than 4 ducks. So I thought that this was a better option, and they're glitter. So I'm gonna take these out and go put them in my Jeep. And they have little tags that you can put on them. So I don't know if we'll do anything with the tags, but look how cute they are. If you know, you know. They also had packs of these that had erasers in them. So again, a cute little Valentine that's not a traditional Valentine, but you can use the erasers you can make charms out of them and other things. So I just thought that they were really cute. If you're a Jeepin' family, let me know and I'll send you a duck. So that is it, actually. That's all I have for Dollar General. Again, I will be going back after Christmas and looking at the rest of the Valentine stuff to see what else is out there. I like that these were only $1 because during Christmas, a lot of their Gemmy type of stickers were $2, and myself and other people were not super happy that the prices went up before Christmas, but it looks like they're back to it being $1, and I think this is a good value for $1, cheaper than the dollar store, and they're just so cute. So keep your eyes out. Happy hunting. I hope that everybody has a great holiday, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.